Music under the direction of Vizio. Tonight, the electric lady Janelle Monáe sits down to talk and perform. NCIS's Michael Weatherly stops by. And the villain, Captain Phillips, Barclay Ozzy is here.
Go, thank you. Never bring a wife.
People coming each day, those transportation issues are becoming a bigger problem. Today, Chamber of Commerce State.
Bryan College Station as Kyle grows to more than 106,000 capacity halfway through its expansion.
Kitchen cabinets, how's that coming?
Slow. I gotta hold this guy's hand on every little decision.
Hey, Kramer.
And when you can't live up to them, you own up and make it right.
Afternoon, highs in the lower 90s. Friday night, partly cloudy.
Martinez and Max Arroyo. Swanson, 6-5.
There's a long list of projects, all that need some form of funding. KI's HD News reporter Tashara Parker shows us.
Sandra, it takes time. And needs more time.
I went to Oprah's garage sale. Yes, and I picked up 3 garages.